Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on TradingView. First, understand that TradingView is a powerful charting and analysis platform, not a direct brokerage for options. To buy options, you will need an active brokerage account that supports options trading. Make sure your account is fully enabled for options, which often involves a separate application process and approval. This initial step is crucial for successful options trading. Once your brokerage is ready, use TradingView for in-depth research. Its advanced charting tools allow you to analyze the underlying stock or asset, look for potential price movements, and identify crucial support or resistance levels. You can also explore hundreds of indicators and drawing tools to inform your trading decisions. This analytical phase is vital for making well-informed choices before placing any options trade. After your research, navigate to your integrated brokerage platform to execute the trade. TradingView often provides direct links or integration with many brokers. Select the specific option contract you wish to buy, specifying the strike price and expiration date. Then, choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control your entry price. Remember, one standard option contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying asset. Finally, monitor and manage your options positions. You can track your open trades directly within your brokerage account. Utilize TradingView for real-time price alerts and continuous chart updates on your underlying assets. For risk management, consider setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses or take profit orders to secure gains. Regularly review your positions, perhaps every few hours or daily, to adapt to market changes and protect your capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.